Good afternoon, folks. This is CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Ball for your CHMR Weather Checkpoint. Look at the headlines for this week. A warming trend does continue as the temperatures continue to decline this week. A few showers late on Tuesday afternoon. Also a few showers for late tonight as well. And turning cooler and showery by the time we get into the late week and weekend as we get into next week. Looking at the temperatures right now, 22 degrees in downtown St. John's, a dew point of 15, humidity at 66%. Those winds a little breezy out there from the south-southeast at 19 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 1,001.1 hectopascals. Looking at the webcams right now, it's a beautiful day out there on New Gower Street. Looking at nothing but sunshine and a few clouds. Some moderate traffic out there. Take a look now at the Middle Pond. Another beautiful day out there, lots of sunshine, very few clouds, very little traffic at all. So a beautiful day out there to be on the roads and have a nice little road trip. Take a look now as we take a look at Shea Heights. Looking at nothing but blue skies and a few clouds. And once again, some very warm temperatures. Looks like that camera is broken. As you can see there, lots of sunshine. And Thorburn Road, also looking at some hazy sunshine, a few clouds, and some light traffic. Let's take a look at the futurecast now, taking us out over the next 48 hours. We'll see some increasing clouds this afternoon as a very weak system moves in late tonight. There's the showers on the Avalon right here. These showers here are going to bring a isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm for late tonight between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. tonight. And then it clears out quickly as we get into the early morning hours tomorrow. And then another batch of widespread showers moves in for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And then we're clear once again as we get into Wednesday. It's a big ridge of high pressure right over here, bringing that southwest flow. That's going to heat us up as we get into Wednesday afternoon and Thursday when temperatures in the mid to high 20s. Alright, let's take a look now at the closer look forecast for today. Looking at 14 degrees this morning, we are now looking at 21 as of noon hour and mostly sunny skies, and 24 degrees by 6 o'clock this evening. That's your high today. Looking at the day planner, mostly sunny skies through the afternoon, increasing clouds by the evening hours, temperatures holding in the 20s through evening, and then by the time we get to midnight, we'll see mostly cloudy skies and 17 degrees. For today, mostly sunny and warm, 24 degrees, southeast winds 20, becoming 40 in the afternoon. First factors at Curly today, that means that dew points are around 16, which is getting sticky. That air is going to be getting sticky out there this afternoon. Increasing clouds and late showers overnight tonight, temperatures of 14 degrees, south winds 15 kilometers per hour. Again, that best chance of rain is between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. That's when you have a more than 50% chance of showers, but there is a slight chance of showers even at 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning, and then by 6 o'clock a.m. we should be completely dry. By tomorrow, looking at an afternoon chance of showers, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. A very warm to hot one tomorrow, 25 degrees. And as we take a look at the southwest winds at 30 kilometers per hour, as we get into the temperature tracker for the rest of the week, we'll see those temperatures well above the average right through to Thursday, and then much cooler by Friday at 22 degrees, and that cooling trend continues as we get into the weekend. Looking at mostly sunny skies tomorrow and 24, showers on Tuesday afternoon and 25, hot, sunny, and hazy Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures of 26 to 27, and then thunderstorms and showers will roll in over the Avalon for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with a much more refreshing air mass. Temperatures through the weekend into the low 20s with cooler temperatures along the coast at around 15 degrees. That's your CHMR weather. I am CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Follett. Have a great day.